Now let's try this example. The question here is the cost of a flower vase is rupees 120 if the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%. Find the price at which it is sold. So here the loss percent is given as rupees 10. So here the loss percent is given as 10%. What we have to find? We have to find the selling price. Now how we can do that? Loss percent is given to us. So let's write the formula for loss percent first. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Now in this formula we know value of loss percent, we know CP, we just have to find loss from here. So let's find loss from here. Loss percent is 10 and this is equal to loss upon CP, and CP is 120 into 100. We can simplify this. Now what else we can do? We can transpose this 12 here and 10 here. So this will give us 10 into 12. 12 will come in multiplication and this will be divided by 10. We transpose this 12 and 10 here on the left side of the equation. So this is equal to loss now. Now let's simplify this. We can cancel 10 with 10. So loss is rupees 12. So loss amount is equal to 12 rupees. Now how can we find selling price? As we know, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and here we know loss and CP. Let's find SP from here. Loss is 12 and this is equal to CP, which is 120 minus SP. Now let's transpose this SP on the left side and let's transpose 12 on the right side. So this will give us SP is equal to 120 minus 12. Now what is 120 minus 12? It will be 108. So therefore SP we are getting is 108 rupees. So the selling price or the price at which the flower vase was sold is rupees 108. Now let's try this question. The question here is selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. If the profit made by a shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price of this toy? So here the selling price is rupees 540. What we have to find? We have to find the cost price. Now how we can do that? Here selling price is given to us. It is 540 and profit percent is also given to us. It is 20%. Now the thing is how to find cost price of this toy. So as we know, profit percent is 20. So what will be the profit if cost price is CP? So profit will be equal to 20% of CP. Now do we have any relation between SP, CP and profit? Yes, we do have one relation, that is profit is equal to SP minus CP, or from here we can say that SP is equal to profit plus CP, or we can write it as CP plus profit. So selling price is equal to CP plus profit. Now what is the selling price here in this case? It is rupees 540. So it will be 540 is equal to CP plus 20% of CP, because profit is 20% of CP as we have seen here. So this will be CP plus 20% of CP, means 20 upon 100 into CP. So now from here can we find the value of CP? Yes, we can do that. So first of all, let's simplify this. So this becomes 2 upon 10. Now we are having 540 is equal to Cp plus 2 upon 10 into Cp or 2 Cp upon 10. So what we can do here, we can write this Cp as 10 Cp upon 10. So this is basically Cp only, 10 and 10 will be get cancelled out. So here we are having 10 Cp upon 10 plus 2 Cp upon 10. So this will be equal to 12 Cp upon 10. So what we are having now, 540 is equal to 12 Cp upon 10. Now for finding the value of Cp, let's transpose this 12 upon 10 here. So this will give us 540 into 10 upon 12 is equal to Cp. Now we just have to simplify this. We can cancel 10 and 12 with 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 9s are 54 and then there is 1 0. So this is 90 here. Now 90 into 5, this will be 450. So therefore Cp is 450. Hence we can say that buying price or the cost price of this toy is rupees 450. So this is how we can find the cost price. Now do we have any other method for finding cost price? Yes, we have one more method, and that is the unitary method. So let's try it by that method now. So now here it is given profit is 20%. 20% profit means, it means that if Cp is 100 rupees, then profit is of 20 rupees. Over 100 rupees of Cp, profit is rupees 20. This is what we mean by 20% profit. Now, what we have to find here? We have to find the cost price. How we can do that? So from here we have seen if Cp is 100, then profit is rupees 20. Now what about Sp? If profit is 20, then Sp will be Cp plus profit, and that will be 120. So now what we are having here, if Sp is 120 rupees, then cost price is 100. So we can write like this. If Sp is 120, cost price is equal to 100. Now what if Sp is 1? If Sp is 1, then cost price will be 100 upon 120. Now here the Sp given is 540. So let's write it. If Sp is 540, then Cp will be 100 upon 120 into 540. So here we have seen if Cp is rupees 1, then Sp is, so here we have seen if Sp is rupees 1, then Cp is 120 upon, then Cp is 100 upon 120. And if Sp is 540, then Cp will be 100 upon 120 into 540. Now we just have to simplify this. We can cancel this 0 with this. Now 6 2s are 12 and 6 9s are 54. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 into 50 will give us 100. Now here we are having 2 into 50 will give us 100. So here we are having now 50 into 9. Now what is 50 into 9? This will be the Cp. Cp will be equal to 450. That is 50 into 9. So now in this case also we got Cp as 450 rupees. So we can have two methods for finding cost price if Sp is given and profit percent is given. One is unitary method and another one is by using the formula for profit percent. Now let's try a few more questions. The question here is, a shopkeeper bought a chair of rupees 375 and sold it for rupees 400. Find the gain percent. Gain percent means profit percent. Gain is profit only. So first of all, let's write what is CP. CP is rupees 375. Now what is SP? SP is 400. Now what will be the profit or gain? We can say profit or gain is equal to SP minus CP, that is 400 minus 375. Now this will give us 25. So therefore gain is of rupees 25. Now what about gain percent? Gain percent will be gain, that is profit upon CP into 100. Now this will be equal to 25 upon 375 because CP is 375 into 100. Now can we simplify this? Yes, we can do that. 25 ones are 25 and 25 into which number will give us 375? It will be 15. 25 into 15 will give us 375. Now we are having 100 upon 15. We can simplify this further. 5 into 20 will give us 100 and 5 into 3 will give us 15. So this becomes 20 upon 3. Now let's find the mixed fraction form. For that we have to divide 20 with 3. Now 3 6s are 18 minus 2. So 2 is the remainder here. So what we are getting from here? 6 2 by 3. So therefore gain percent is 6 2 by 3. Now let's try this question. The question here is, cost of an item is rupees 50 if it was sold with a profit of 12%. Find the selling price. So cost price is given as 50 rupees. So cost price is 50 rupees here, and what is given? Profit percent is given to us. Profit percent is 12%. We have to find selling price. So first of all, let's use the formula of profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now CP is given, profit percent is given. So let's find profit from here. Profit percent is 12 and CP is 50. So this will become 12 is equal to profit, which is P upon CP, that is 50 into 100. Now we can cancel this. 50 ones are 50, 52s are 100. Now we are having 2P is equal to 12. Let's transpose this 2 on the left side. So this will give us 12 upon 2 is equal to P. So this implies P is equal to, we can simplify this, this will give us 6. So the profit is rupees 6. Now profit is of rupees 6. What can we say about SP? As we know, SP is equal to cost price plus profit. So this will be 50 plus 6, which is 56 rupees. So therefore SP or the selling price is rupees 56. Now this question is, an article was sold for rupees 250 with a profit of 5%. What is the cost price? So we have to find cost price here. Let it be CP. So if CP is the cost price, then what will be the profit? Profit is 5% of CP. So it means we can say it is 5% of CP. Profit is equal to 5% of CP. Now we know SP is equal to CP plus profit. So here in this case profit is 5% of CP. So this will be CP plus 5% of CP. Now SP is already given to us. What is it? It is 250. So it means we are having 250 is equal to CP plus 5 upon 100 into CP. Now we can do one thing, we can simplify this. 5 ones are 5, 5 into 20 will give us 100. So now we are having 250 is equal to Cp plus Cp upon 20. We can write this Cp as 20 Cp upon 20. This is basically Cp only, 20 and 20 will be cancelled out. So now what we are having, see carefully, 20 Cp plus Cp upon 20. So this will be 21 Cp upon 20 and this is equal to 250. Now from here can we find value of Cp? Yes, we can do that. Let's transpose this 21 upon 20 on the left side. So this will give us 250 into 21 20 upon 21. So we are having 250 into 20 upon 21. 20 will come with multiplication and 21 will come in division. So this is equal to Cp now. Now let's simplify this. So from here we will get Cp is 5000 divided by 21. Now we can keep the answer as it is or we can find the decimal representation as well. So 5000 divided by 21, what will be this? This will be 238.09. So we are having cost price is equal to 238.09. So this is how we can find cost price when selling price and profit percent is given to us. Now here is the last question of this session. The question is, an item was sold for rupees 540 at a loss of 5%. What is its cost price or what was its cost price? So basically we have to find cost price here. Now how can we find cost price? First of all, what is loss? It is of 5%. So as we know, loss is our cost price only. So loss is equal to 5% of Cp. Now loss is of 5% of Cp and we know loss is equal to Cp minus Sp, that is cost price minus selling price. From here we can get selling price or Sp is equal to Cp minus loss. We transposed Sp on the left side and loss on the right side. So this gives us Sp is equal to Cp minus loss and loss is 5% of Cp. So this gives us Sp is equal to Cp minus 5% of Cp. Now Sp is already given to us, it is 540. So it means we will have 540 is equal to Cp minus 5 upon 100 into Cp. We can simplify this, 5 ones are 5, 5 into 20 will give us 100. Now here we are having Cp minus Cp upon 20. We can write this Cp as 20 Cp upon 20 just to make the same denominator. Now what we'll get from here? We'll get 20 Cp minus Cp upon 20. So it means we are getting 540 is equal to 20 Cp minus Cp is 19 Cp upon 20. Now from here we can say Cp will be equal to 540 into 20 divided by 19. Now let's simplify this to get the Cp. So Cp will be equal to 540 into 20 will give us 10,800. Now this is divided by 19. We have to divide this by long division method, and by dividing we will get Cp is equal to 568.42 approximately. This is the approximate value of Cp. Exact value of Cp is 10,800 upon 19. So this is the cost price we are getting from here. So here we have seen if SP is given and loss percent is given, how to find cost price or how to find CP. We have used the formula of loss percent, or we have seen that loss is always over CP. So loss is equal to 5% of CP, and from there we have simplified it and we got CP as 10,800 divided by 19. So in this session we have discussed about cost price, selling price, profit, loss and profit percent and loss percent. We have seen that if SP is greater than CP, that is selling price is greater than cost price, then it is a case of profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. We can write it here. P is profit is equal to SP minus CP. And how to find profit percent, that is P percent, it is equal to P upon CP, that is profit upon CP into 100. And if CP is greater than SP, then it is a case of loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. And what about loss percent? It is equal to loss upon CP into 100. This is how we can find loss percent. And we have seen few questions based on all these things. So that's all for this session.